Good morning and happy Monday. We are moving right along and on Module 7 at this point. And this week you folks are going to learn about diverse communities of patients, so different populations of patients that might need a little extra attention and support. So first of all, you're going to do the reading. Let's see, I believe it's Chapter 5. Yep, Chapter 5, so the whole chapter. Then you're going to do the Evolve questions online. This week's discussion is going to be choose one of the communities listed in Chapter 5 and share a way that you could make the experience in the medical office easier. So giving you an opportunity to kind of put yourself, almost like a make-believe scenario and kind of imagine what you could do that would help one of these populations. And then there's going to be a three-question quiz that's pretty straightforward. So straightforward week, not a lot to it, and reach out as always if you have any questions or you need anything. Thanks and have a great day.